morning, Junior 2. Our lesson for today is communication with numbers part 2. From our previous lesson, we know that we see numbers in our world every day, at school, at home, and even in the street. And these numbers give me information. As we know, here is a summary for last lesson. This is called what? Yes, excellent. Clock. And clock have numbers. These numbers give me information about what time is it. So at this clock, the time it is 3 o'clock and 30 minutes. So from numbers on the clock, I know time. Number 2. Here is number, and beside this number there is image for phone. So this number 800000 give me information. This is telephone number. Then next, it is called what? Yes, excellent. This is called thermometer. And thermometer has screen. On this screen there are numbers. Could you tell me numbers on a screen of thermometer give me information about what? Yes, excellent, I hear you. About temperature number. Cause when I got sick, I go to the doctor and the doctor uses this thermometer to measure my temperature. 20 Jefferson Street. 20 Jefferson Street. This number is on sign in the street. So will give me information about telephone number? No. About temperature? No. Or give me information about what? About address. Excellent. Address or where my house or any other place is. Yes. Then this ticket, on this ticket there is number, and this number tell me or give me information about what? Temperature? No. About price? Yes. Because this is price of any something I buy new. Has this ticket. On this ticket there is its price. If I put a t-shirt, I found this ticket. On this ticket there is number of its price. So that number on a ticket give me information about what? About price. Excellent. Then this is a scale, and this scale I see it in market, in supermarket, in hyper, in grocery. So this scale is very important. Has numbers. When I put anything above this scale, this pointer, do you see this black pointer? Yes, will move on different numbers to give me information about what? About time? No. About temperature? No. About price? No. But will give me information about weight. About weight. Like if I put, here is some put number of orange and I wanted to weight of them. I will put this orange, number of this orange, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will put 4 orange above the scale, and then what happened? Yes, the pointer of the scale will move till it stops on a certain number. Okay, this number will give me information about what? Excellent, about weight of those 4 apples. Okay, excellent. Then this is called what? As we said, ruler. And this ruler has numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, or more. And here is my pencil. I want to know information about its length. So I will use scale? No. I will use clock? No. I will use what? Ruler, because numbers on ruler will give me information about its length. So we made summary for last lesson. Let's start with our new lesson. Our new lesson will be missing numbers. What the meaning of missing? Missing means lost numbers, or numbers I wanted to know what information those numbers give me. Okay? The numbers are missing. And you see, do you see any numbers? No. Empty sign, empty another sign on a slipper, empty screen. Okay? So there are no numbers equal missing numbers. No numbers yet. I want from you to tell me about those numbers. Okay? The numbers are missing, are not exist, as we see. Okay? Can you help? Yes. Use the number pen to put the numbers back where they belong. What's the meaning of that? Firstly, we should. Where is a bank of numbers? Yes, here is number bank. There are different numbers like this, and there are different shapes of this. I will put each number where it belongs. Belong to what? The first one with me, number 1 with me, is 90 degrees Celsius. Okay? This number 1 can belong to this sun? No. Can belong to this one size? No. Can belong to this digital clock? No. Can belong to this scale? No. Can belong to this oven? Yes. So where I will write this number? Excellent, on this screen. 90 degrees Celsius. Could you tell me what information does this number give me? Yes, this number gives me information about temperature. Excellent. Okay, the next one will be 3 o'clock. Alright, 3 o'clock. I'm talking about what? Yes, excellent. Time. What of which of these things are used to tell me time? This sign? No. This slipper? No. This clock? Yes. I will write 3 like this. 3 o'clock. Okay? So what type of what information does this number give me? Yes, this number gives me information or gives me information about time. Okay? The first information I had temperature. The second information I had time. Let's see the third one. Third one is 30. Okay? 30. Which? This number belong to which of that? This sign? No. This sign? Yes. Why? Because when I write 30 here, it will give me information about excellent, I hear you, about size. Yes? My size to wear slippers is 30. My size to wear trousers is 30. Okay? So that 30 here give me information about what? Size. So the third information with me is size. Okay? Then 2 kilogram. 2 kilogram. This number is for what? Yes, for time, for price, for temperature. No, it will for weight. I will write 2 kilogram on screen of this scale. Why? Because it will give me information about what? About weight. About weight. Okay, so this is number 4. Will give me information about weight. Alright. Then the remaining one will be 10 LE. 10 LE will be or give me 10 LE will give me information about what? What do you think? Time? No. Size? No. Temperature? No. Okay, I will write it 10 LE on this sign. 10 LE. Okay, so it will give me information about what? About price. Do you remember 2 kilogram? Tell me information about what? Excellent. About weight. So that I have 6 information. What are those information? Number 1 is temperature. Number 2 is time. Number 3 size. Number 4 weight, and number 5 price. Okay. Let's see the next page with me. Number scavenger hunt. What do you mean? If you see anything around you have numbers, you will tell me about. Okay. Find numbers around the school. Draw and label a picture of 2 places you see numbers. What information do the numbers tell you? Like what? If you are in the classroom, can you tell me, can you find anything have numbers? Yes, clock. This is clock. Okay, do you see any numbers? Yes, this analog clock has numbers in a circle. So, numbers give me information about what? Yes, about time. So, numbers on a clock I found in my classroom give me information about time. The second place I went is my lab. I go to my lab and I found this, my class and lab calendar. Can you see all these numbers? Yes, these numbers are dates, date of every day. Okay, so can you tell me this calendar give me information about what? About date. So numbers give me information about date and about time. Here is a summary for our lesson for today. Here is a clock, has numbers, and numbers give me information about time. Here is ruler, give me information about height or equal word lengths. And here is scale, another type of scale will give me information about weight. Excellent. Here is thermometer, and thermometer give me information about temperature. Here is thermometer. I found it when I got sick and I go to the doctor, will give me information about temperature. Then here is tape, and this tape like ruler give me information about length or height. Length or height, the same. Okay, let's practice with each other. I ask you a question, match a question. Okay? You have in this side of information side, and here is shape of symbols I use to get this information. Number one, address. What do you think? Which one of those give me information about address? The first one? No. The second one? No. The third one? No. The fourth one? No. The fifth one? No. What else? Yes, last one. So I will write number one beside 20 Jefferson Street or 18 Main Street. So those numbers give me information about address. Excellent. Let's see number two. Telephone number. Telephone number. Number two, I will write number two on first image, no. On second image, no. On third image. Here is a phone, and I will write number two beside this picture. Good job, Junior 2. Could you see this price? Okay, I will write number three beside first picture, no. Second picture, no. Third one, no. Fourth one. So number three, here is a ticket, and on this ticket there is a number. This number is price number. Excellent, Junior 2. Then temperature. Okay, number four, temperature. What do you think? I will write number four next to first image or second? Yes, second. I will write number four beside this picture because 200 degree is information about what? Temperature of this oven. Excellent. Here is weight. Okay, number five. I will write weight beside which image? Yes, good job, I hear you. Number five here next to this green scale because all these numbers give me information about weight. Last one with me is length. Okay? Number 6. I will write number 6 beside which one? Yes, I will write number 6 beside picture of this tail. Alright, so I write number 1. Again, let's revise with each other. Number 1 beside address sign. Number 2 beside telephone number. Number 3 beside price tag. Number 4 beside temperature. Number 5 beside weight. And number 6 beside this tape for length. Thank you, Junior 2. I wish you good listening